Welcome back. We're continuing the news. A 26-year-old man was killed when he lost control of the motorbike he was driving. Now, the motorbike crashed in the back of a parked truck. He's been identified as Javon Clark of a Mannings Hill Road address. The crash happened about 11:30 along Mannings Hill Road in St. Andrew. Now, the pillion was rushed to hospital where he underwent surgery. We learned a short while ago that his condition is critical. The crashed motorbike was, however, removed from the scene, but the police say they don't know by whom.
The police have been unable to locate the motorcycle, which is critical for any investigations that should follow and for any benefit that is the deceased man's estate would accrue to them, any benefit that would accrue to them. So I would want to implore any person who would have removed that, leave it somewhere, advise the police, because it is critical to push forward our investigations. It doesn't matter whether the motorcycle was licensed or insured or otherwise.
And 7 people were rushed to hospital after a motor vehicle crash on the Lacovia main road on Monday. It's understood that around 6 p.m., a Toyota Coaster bus was traveling from Santa Cruz to Montego Bay when it ran off the road and into a wall. The driver of the bus gave an account of what happened.
From Santa Cruz, I want to reach the entrance at Coffee Spring. One man drive out for me. I take me from him. And same as we take me from him now, one next one I come round from Femi side said way. So I have to take me from that one again and end up in a wall.
Now, one of the passengers said she was terrified.
Don't go here, everybody get ball out. And here lady I say me baby. And me just everybody good on we head good on now. We head duck down. You don't go see people that fall upon me, people fall on top of me. I'm good on done back at the seat.
And of the 7 persons injured, 3 are still in hospital.